Orange jam, a delightful and zesty spread, is made through a detailed manufacturing process that ensures the perfect balance of flavor, quality, and safety. Factories employ advanced technology, strict hygiene standards, and precise recipes to transform fresh oranges into a tangy and smooth preserve enjoyed worldwide. The process begins with sourcing high-quality oranges from trusted suppliers. Factories prioritize varieties known for their rich juice content and bright flavor, such as Valencia and Navel oranges. These are selected for their ability to yield a high pulp content and the natural sweetness necessary for making jam. Upon arrival at the factory, oranges are carefully inspected for size, color, and ripeness. Any fruit with bruises, spoilage, or other defects is rejected or repurposed into other products like compost or animal feed. This ensures that only the best oranges are used in the production process. Once approved, the oranges are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, pesticides, and other contaminants. Conveyor belts transport the fruit through washing tunnels, where high-pressure water sprays and food-grade sanitizers clean them thoroughly. The cleaned oranges are then rinsed with fresh water and drained, preparing them for processing. Specialized machines peel the oranges and separate the segments while preserving the maximum amount of pulp and juice. The seeds and other inedible parts are discarded or used for byproducts, such as essential oils or animal feed. The extracted pulp and juice are collected in large stainless steel containers, ready for pre-cooking. The pre-cooking stage enhances the flavor and consistency of the orange pulp. The pulp is heated in steam-jacketed kettles to soften it and kill any microorganisms. During this step, sugar, pectin, and citric acid are added. Sugar acts as a sweetener and natural preservative, pectin gives the jam its gel-like consistency, and citric acid balances the sweetness with a touch of acidity while preventing microbial growth. The mixture is thoroughly blended to ensure uniformity. During the cooking process, the pulp mixture is boiled at carefully controlled temperatures, usually between 100 C and 105 C. This evaporates excess water, thickening the jam to the desired consistency. Factory staff or automated systems regularly test the mixture's sugar content and viscosity to ensure it meets the product specifications. Natural or artificial orange flavors may be added at this stage to enhance the jam's aroma and taste. Once the jam achieves the perfect balance of texture and flavor, it is removed from the heat. Before packaging, the orange jam undergoes stringent quality control. Samples are tested in laboratories to ensure the product is free from harmful bacteria, yeasts, and molds. Trained panelists assess the jam for taste, color, aroma, and texture. The acidity, sugar content, and spreadability are measured to confirm that the product meets all quality standards. Any batch that does not meet these criteria is either reprocessed or discarded. Packaging is a crucial step to preserve the jam's freshness and extend its shelf life. Glass jars or plastic containers are sterilized using steam or ultraviolet light to eliminate contaminants. Automated machines fill the containers with hot jam, ensuring precise quantities and avoiding spillage. Once filled, the containers are immediately sealed to create an airtight environment that prevents spoilage. The sealed jars pass through cooling tunnels to bring them to room temperature. After cooling, they are labeled with detailed product information, including ingredients, manufacturing date, expiration date, and batch codes for traceability. The finished orange jam is stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain its quality before distribution. products are organized based on their batch numbers and expiration dates, following a first-in, first-out inventory system. The warehouses are kept at optimal temperatures to prevent spoilage. From there, the jam is distributed to retailers, wholesalers, or exported to international markets, ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. Factories producing orange jam also implement eco-friendly practices to minimize environmental impact. Orange peels, seeds, and other byproducts are converted into compost, animal feed, or bioenergy. Water used during the cleaning and processing stages is treated and reused, and many factories employ energy-efficient machinery and renewable energy sources to reduce their carbon footprint. The production of orange jam exemplifies a blend of technology, science, and dedication to craftsmanship. From selecting the finest oranges to delivering a flavorful product to consumers, each step is carefully managed to ensure quality and safety. This process not only satisfies global demand, but also promotes sustainability and innovation in food production. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover how orange jam is made in factories. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on food production and technology. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. See you next time.